Before we have a winter storm alert. So now it's stopped already last night around 10 p.m. So now we try driving in the high snow, and you will see how is the difficult driving in the very high snow. So let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go and maybe stop. No, it's not good. They always stop.
Ito wearing mask is cold on Sila bang mountain?
And you see here is very high the snow, very high.
Okay, let's go.
Just the principal road is open. No, all the road. All the principal where the bus is going, public bus. And, here is the one of the principal road is the main road. So and that's why it's very clean. They clean first this one. And that's why you can driving only on those roads like that. I will show you another place, so we'll see you soon. Here we driving on the little outside from the town, from the city. There's a lot of snow already. They clean already, but it's still a lot. So road inside the houses is very high. You can see a lot of snow here. So wonderful weather. Oh my god.
We're going now.
Going now, where we go? Just driving. Yeah, the service for the buses is working.
Yes, we're giving the candy. In the box. In the Philippines.
The Philippines.
I found your video, Daddy.
Oh, you find the videos?
Yes, a lot.
A lot? A lot of videos?
Yeah.
Okay.
Daddy, look, here's the food.
Oh, what?
The food.
Oh no, that is the videos for by
The video, I tell you.
Okay. It's a lot of snow.
I have some.
Okay, let's go.
Oh, I need to go away.
Classes to resume to Tuesday, March 5. All GSES provided the school buses and taxis are canceled.
Okay, let's go.
Oh, but this includes buses from Mormon to Martinsville and service from Martinsville and Mormon.
We are in exactly on the downtown. Oh, this guy, look, this guy. Why? Oh, rock. There, up. Very bad road here. It's difficult driving, it's not easy. Need to driving, be careful.
This is no main road for them.
It's here, the restaurant.
What name? What is the name? This is no main road.
Oh, here, this one. Here, step main.
Yeah.
State main. I don't know if it's for boats. Here we are in that different area for check the snow is very high. Here's back Alexa is singing and have a fan.
Yes, fun.
You have a fan there?
Yes.
At this time
Playing games.
at this time
Puppet games.
at this time we're driving and but it's a little high snow.
They have a green thing there. They can
Look,
ride
and
their
this way?
bicycle.
And this way I go on the bad road here. Oh, I think this is oh, Tyler. Okay, Tyler is okay. I think this one is
Okay, let's
and
go.
after we go oh Lord up. So we need to reach the Tyler Avenue. And after we go and we need to get
How about now, Vincent?
Lord Avenue. Okay.
How about
It's
now?
very high snow. A small car for sure and stop here. So a small car is driving, but it's only okay. Look, people walking here. The dog. There's stop already. Yeah, a lot of cars to stop.
Hey, customers.
Ay, it's not the center.
No, my name is Amaro. No, mine. No, mine.
Oh, look, a lot of cars here. The road is very high. They not even try to go out. It's very high. Okay, we go right. Go right side. Find Lord Avenue. Oh my God! Look, that car is very high snow. see in your left side, some cars cover the snow. Wow. Look, and this car, where is parking? It's parking in the middle of the road because the snow, but
It's not allowed like that.
he's lucky not get a ticket.
It's not possible like that, I
No.
know.
They need
That's
to
why
park
they
in
have
like
a
that.
backyard, right?
Yeah, and they need to parking like that. Even if it's snow, if you need to have to parking.
That's why all the houses like this, I know they have a backyard. Maybe the backyard is too high. They can
You will see some cars at the top in the snow because it's not allowed parking like that. They get ticket. No, this camera have a
We have a Save on Foods online shopping. Oh.
yeah 7-foot online shopping. A lot of people buy online because they don't want to drive it. Look, this phone have a for record the night. Destination here in the house. This is okay. What number? 2236. This is the highway. This is very scary driving here because you need to go more fast. This is clean road.
If you put
The priority
Okay, let's
road
go.
is clean.
if you put seatbelt, the police will not get your
Yeah.
And if you don't put seatbelt, the police will get
Yeah, you need Alexa. If you not put the seatbelt, they get you that.
Have smoke. Have a lot of smoke.
Yeah.
Mommy, look, have a lot of smoke.
Yeah.
What is that coming from? Mommy,
Factory.
what is that coming from?
From the factory.
When is that coming from, Mommy?
I don't know. Where? Factory.
Mommy, what happened to this?
I don't know.
What happened?
Ask them what happened there.
Daddy, what happened?
The factory. They need to. Is working there, so the factories make a lot of smoke as they make something there.
Daddy, I know the bus go now.
Okay.
Look.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go.